Staying at Renaissance Bali Uluwatu Resort and Spa was such a great experience for our staycation this weekend. And I can say this is one of the best experiences that I have staying in a resort. Not only because the staff were very friendly and extremely supportive, but also these places are surrounded by rugged cliff and pristine beach. And as soon as you walk into the lobby, you can see this modern and chic design. And I know during this pandemic, many people are worried about the hygiene, but I can say this hotel not only well maintained, but also have a very high standard of their hygiene. Let me give you an example. So in each bedroom, they will have hygiene set. What is inside? Let's have a look. So they will have masks. They give you 2 masks actually, but I wore the other one. And they will also give you 2 wipes, antibacterial wipes with aloe vera extract. So it's good when you're looking after for your skin also. And the other thing, they also have hand sanitizer. Well, with regard about the hygiene, let's just talk to the professional. Today I'm with Miss Tina. She is the director of the spa at Renaissance. Is that right?
Yes, correct.
Hello. Thank you so much for meeting with me this morning. I know you must be really busy and have a lot of work to do. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Okay, Miss Tina, I know this is really weird circumstances for all of us all over the world, yeah? And I'm also sure there are a lot of adjustments with this new normal, especially at hotels, resorts, and of course at Renaissance. So for people who like to travel again, or people who are maybe planning to come back to Bali or visit Bali, they probably would like to know how safe is it here in Bali, or how safe is it here at Renaissance. So today I would like to give you some questions about this new normal adjustment at Renaissance. Is that okay?
Yes, definitely can.
Okay, you ready for that? Yeah. Okay, so first question is, what safety and sanitation protocol have you begun to use?
So for the safety and also sanitizing protocol that we do have here, in Merak itself we have a CPC program, which is the commitment to clean. The commitment to clean, this is the initiative for the Marriott to showcasing our high standard of cleaning during this pandemic. And then this is also implementing throughout the hotel, including when you enter the hotel, in the restaurant, in the spa, in the gym, in the pool, and also including in the back of the house as well. So there is a hand sanitizer, and also there is we do have schedule to do like disinfectant for the whole surfaces, and also high touch point in the room, in the back of the house, and in all areas.
Thank you so much for a lot of hard work. Okay, so the next question, what sanitation guideline are you following right now?
So as a Marriott property, we do collaborate with Ecolab. Ecolab is have all the protocol and also the guidelines to do the cleanliness, and then this is what we are doing right now in all the area. Not only the way we are doing, but also all the chemical. Also we are making sure and ensuring that all is in line with the FDA.
Yeah, you're following all of the guidelines from, what's the name again?
Sorry? The Ecolab.
Ecolab, yes. Yeah. Okay, wow. Okay, the next question, are masks mandatory in public area?
Yes.
Okay.
The mask is not only it's mandatory for all the associates, However, for the guests also, if they would not comfortable and probably they forgot their mask, we also provide in a certain area. So the guests can simply just ask. And then if they would like to have a hand glove or mask, something like that.
Thank you. Well, the next question. Our temperatures are taken of each guest?
Yes. It's mandatory for all guests, inside and also outside.
Yes, I can tell. We proved it, as you can see in the video, guys. Okay, the next question. Are staff required to wear masks at all times?
Yes. During duty time, they should wearing a mask at all times.
Yes. I can tell, I can see everyone is wearing masks here. Even maybe it's not really comfortable for them, but they really follow the rules. That's very important. Yes.
Yes, for the safety.
Yes. How often do the room get thoroughly sanitized after each guest leaves? For example, high touch point?
For the room, actually we do have sanitizing every 2 hours. But if this is applicable for all area, including the high touch point, so every 2 hours is mandatory. However, if the guest is not comfortable, if they are inside in the room, and then we ask the permission to the guest. But the guests also can do sanitize by their own because we provide the hygiene set in the room, so they can use the sanitized wipe to do it by themselves.
Okay. How often does the gym and the spa get sanitized thoroughly, including all the equipment?
Okay, for the gym, for the spa, which is we do have standard for every 2 hours. As a Ecolab guideline and also from the Marriott, every 2 hours we should do the hygiene, which is sanitize in all touch points, surfaces, and also all the equipments. However, this is also include that the person that just finished the treatment and also just finished the exercise, so that all the equipment and also the high touch area should be disinfected right away, so every single use.
So guys, as you can see, it's very safe here at Renaissance, but again, go back to yourself. As a YouTuber, I suggest that all of you to keep your mask at public area, even it's not comfortable. But again, it's for your own safe, and also that means you care about your neighbor. Okay guys, so now I want you to get your calendar, your pen or your phone, and mark it in your calendar. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It's September 11, 2020. When the international flight in Bali is open again. So what are you waiting for? Book your ticket now, come to Bali, and we will see you here. And now let's talk about the bedroom. I'm staying at Deluxe with ocean view, and I love my bedroom. Not only they have like a lot of space, but they have this huge bathtub with a view. And I'm the person who really loves take a shower and take a bath. I can spend hours take a bath with the ocean view. That's a great experience for me. And not only that, Ricky and Kemi staying at the executive suite. They have more space and they also have the bar there. But there is another room that they have here, love suite bedroom, I guess. And there are some other rooms. But I guess for this new normal, they only open 2 buildings, so not many variety, but usually they have a lot of different types of bedrooms. Renaissance also owned the very first beach club at Pandawa. It's called Rooster Feast, and it only took about 20 minutes to get there, and they have free shuttle. Usually they have free shuttle every single hour, but it's a little bit different right now for this new normal, so you can just check it out at receptionist. But if you're lazy to go out, they also have arbor in the lobby. That is really nice. There's a lot of good drinks. And also they have this gorgeous view at golden hour. So it's really worth to try, guys. You definitely have to spend maybe one evening just to enjoy food, drink with your friends and enjoy the view. Now let's move on to the pool. This is one of my favorite part also from this building, because not only it's a huge infinity pool, but it's also facing Indian Ocean. So you can just enjoy your drink, cocktail or whatever that you like, and chill the pool and enjoy the sunset. And maybe after you finish swimming you feel cold, now you can go to the next facilities. You can enjoy the sauna. And here they have the dry sauna, and also the steam sauna. It's in the spa. And next to the spa, there's another facilities that you can use, the gym. What I really like from this gym, it's 24 hours and it's very private. So you only can get in with your room key. So not everyone can get in. And again, the hygiene is very high. They have a lot of hand sanitizers, wipe or disinfectant. And also regardless what level are you at, are you beginner or professional, they have a lot of different equipment, so I guess you will enjoy it. In this new normal, they only open one restaurant called Claycraft. It's an international restaurant with in-house pottery studio. So that's awesome. Not only I really enjoy delicious food with a variety from local and western food, but they have this pottery studio and it gave me a pleasant experience because that was my very first time making a pottery. Okay guys, that's all for this vacation this weekend, and thank you so much for following my journey until now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, smash that like button, and comment down below if you have any additional question or if you want more information about Bali. Until then, sampai jumpa!